Welcome back. Picking the camera up on a Tuesday night. Little 30 minutes easy bike. Eating really well today, tracked everything on target, so just spurred me on to hit a little session. So yeah, 30 minutes easy on the bike, then feet up, cup of tea and a few biscuits before bed, and yeah, starting off the week strong. 34-minute bike, just so done. Airing out the tent from camping at the weekend. If you've not seen that video, check it out. It was good fun. Yeah, gonna tidy that up and then get inside and chill out. So it's now Thursday lunchtime. I think I started off like really strong in the week, and then work just takes over. Like I'm kind of in between like finishing a project, starting new ones. There's loads of crossover, like try to finish some stuff and start the next stuff. So yeah, time's like a bit of a premium with work at the moment, so training's definitely taking a dip. I've tried to commit to just like 30 minutes easy bike, 30 minutes easy cardio every day, which I've stuck to, so that's like being a bare minimum, but I haven't filmed any of that because you can only film so much if you don't do cardio on a static bike in the garage. Yeah, I think probably got time for a half decent session tonight in the garage. I've been airing out the tents, which you've seen, so space has been out limited as well. So yeah, I guess this is a bit more realistic training for me, like having to adapt, having to kind of maybe whatever the opposite of front load is, like front load all the work at the start of the week and then do all the training and things towards the end of the week. So we don't have huge plans this weekend. We're DIYing and like productive stuff on Saturday, hopefully getting a few bits tidied up within the house that we're renovating at the moment, and then Sunday's a bit more like a family day where we'll do something or go out for the day or yeah, find an activity to do with the kids. So Carter's got his first swimming lesson on Friday night, so that would be good fun. I think I'm in the pool for that, so yeah, you definitely won't see any of that. I'm not sure the camera's waterproof, but yeah, just a little update. Not sure this video is going to be very long or very exciting, but I want to just keep them going. One a week is the target, so yeah, I'll keep up, see what happens for sure. Pretty sure in the last clip I said I wasn't going to film any more boring Zone 2 bike cardio, but that's all I've managed to do today. Still airing out parts from camping. That's like the big shelter. That thing's saved today. It has 4 sides to sit all the way up. So essentially like completely sealed from the elements. I think next time we maybe got like a big ground sheet and we peg it down, just so like it's a bit more substantial on the ground, but saved today. But yeah, just a bit of keeping it ticking over, I guess. Tomorrow's going to be good. Should get a double section in tomorrow. Thinking the shoulder's doing a lot better, so we might be able to get a push section in. That'd be lovely, because I haven't done one of them in a long time. Yeah, and then some hard running, probably short, sharp intervals. My favourite, the old 800s. Yeah, see what gets done, but feeling good about tomorrow, so I'll finish this, get inside, cup of tea, couple of biscuits, top the yield, carbohydrate stored up for tomorrow's double session. Looking forward to it. I have just scrubbed the inside and outside and shelves and parts and attachments for the dishwasher. Don't ask why, just got the urge to do it and it was minging. So just ran a wee cycle now, hopefully it's much better when it's finished. I just get really like random urges to clean stuff, it's weird. Just jumped outside to get a session in. The plan is like bench, pull something, maybe a bit of squats, just some like compound lifts, just really get a good session in. I've kind of neglected it a wee bit. I just had like a bit of like a realisation that, you know, it's great fitting in all this running and tempo running and blah, but like I'm not training for anything to do running, so yeah, I'm really tempted just to put a big focus on just like strength work, you know, 3 a week, 3-4 a week even. Maybe just keep my like 30-minute bike cardio going, maybe reduce it to like every second day or something, but yeah, I don't know, I don't have goals, and I think that's the issue. Yeah, maybe need to get a bit more of a plan in place, but let's get this session done. back on. Finished the lifts, they were good. I have now, just in that moment, despite what my last clip said, decided I'm gonna bulk, I'm gonna gain. I've never really done it. I've never taken time to do it properly and, you know, add the weight and eat the food, so I'm gonna try it. Like, what's the worst that can happen, right? I'll put some, yeah, I'll maybe do a full, the next video maybe be like me starting that. I'll put a bit in here. Currently though, Jasmine just texted me saying that the small co-op next to me is closing down and they're just selling everything off like super cheap. So this could be the most random segment of a video ever, but I'm on the bike, head over there now, so let's see what we get. So just got back from co-op, did a bit of a haul, and I'll tell you the total at the end. So creamy custard, that'll be great for the bulk that I'm now on. A My Protein strawberry flavoured milkshake, an irresistible rich and moist sticky toffee pudding. I got all the freezer stuff, so these crispy tempura battered chickens. Not bad. A whole bunch of those good for the freezer. I got some blueberry Soaring with bars, chicken nuggets, can't go wrong with just having chicken nuggets and frozen chicken. Frozen fish, I probably should have got more of these because these are quite good. Not bad. Some fancy cheese, nice and strong. Was £3.50, now only 88p. The elitist snack. Magnum bonbon salted caramel almond. Just make sure they're right, you know, I don't want to give them to the fam if they're not perfect. Unbelievable. Now I see it all, I don't really know what I was thinking. It was like panic buy. Frozen beef mint 70p, 2 of those. Cookies and cream Haagen-Dazs, 99p. Salted butter, we're going to use that at some point. Frozen berries, some healthy stuff, you know. Couple of those. I got naked oven chips from McCain. I don't know what the difference is. There's not loads of like stuff in them. There's only 2 ingredients, potatoes and oil. I can get behind that, so if they're good, maybe we start buying them. Another bag of those. Anything else in this bag? Oh yeah. Biscoff and cream Haagen-Dazs. So, like a lot of stuff, like all this stuff here. Total cost was, I'll check my watch, £16.20, including the carrier bag. That's alright, you know, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I mean like at least like 10 dinners, not including the mints or the chips. That's pretty good. They said they're reducing all the chilled stuff in the next couple of hours, so I'll maybe send Jasmine back around with the car, but why not, eh? Why not? Let's taste this milkshake actually. My Protein strawberry. I wonder if it tastes like the powder stuff, because I do need more protein, and if this is nice I'd get that, but good. Not bad at all. Saturday morning, it's been chilled. Jasmine went to get a few DIY bits. Just to finish up the banister in the house, just painting it and sanding it and stuff. So she nipped out this morning to get that. So yeah, she's been playing with cards and Play-Doh. My building skills are not up to scratch. So I was like, well, I'll take them both out to the park and like just get out of the house for a bit. And Carter's fallen asleep. I think every time I've filmed in this car, he's been asleep. The baby's not asleep though, but I've just stopped on the way to Burnt Island. Yeah, this viewing spot is unbelievable. Have a look at this. Not too bad, could have been worse. At Burnt Island there's 2 parks, there's like one here in the High Street and then there's one like up here by the beach, so we'll probably go to the beach one, then we can get a wee look at the sea. And what's that, Carter? Look, what's that? A train! Good cafes and like restaurants and things in Burnt Island, so maybe nip into one. Let's see. She's happy though. She won't nap. She's not keen for naps. Play park's going well. Carter's addicted to swings and pretty much always wants to go higher. Is it making a funny noise? There's a family with a Great Dane over there. This thing is massive. I'll try and get a shot of it if I can. It's huge though. I just couldn't have a dog. I couldn't have a dog like that, let alone a dog. But yeah, chilled morning, afternoon at the park. Sunday morning trip to Ikea and hopefully some Costco action. Just meeting the family. Yesterday was good. We went to my brother's, all the kids and mum and dad and stuff. Had dinner and cakes and coffee. It was awesome. So dinner with mum and dad. Yeah, got the full gang. Jasmine, Carter, Zara. Meet mum and dad. So the plan is some coffee and then we need to get some bits for Zara, like a high chair potentially. And then yeah, Costco. So yeah. Costco! Probably 100 things we don't need, but let's say that a lot. We always shop for stuff we don't need, but come on. Can't come up here and not go to Costco.